What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. First, open your Shopify and log in into your account, and what you should do right now is to simply go up right here on the top right corner, then click on your name or your email, and after that click on all stores, and here as you can see you will find all the stores that you have created. Now I will click on create store, and after that it will show you this page. You can simply choose any one of these options, then click on next, then click on next, and so on. And after you finish, it will ask you to enter your region. Click on next, and this is actually how simple it is. Now it will jump you directly into the dashboard. When you go back and click on this icon right here and click on all stores, it will show you again your stores, and you can change the store name and the store domain if you want. So I'm going to click on any one of these. Then here, as you can see, it will show you exactly your store. So I'm going to click on store settings, for example, then click on name store. Then I'm going to name it, for example, test, then click on save. And now when I go back and click on this option on the top right corner, it will show me that I have two stores. You can switch between any one of them, and you can click on all stores and see the stores that you have created. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.